Hello everybody, hello and welcome to my channel. So today, Char, Koey, Tiao, the best one. Last night I had a dream that like a big rain, comes and washes it all away. All of that I've ever had, and today I will find the best Char, Koey, Tiao. Will I? Let's find out. They say there's no rainy season. Yeah, so guys, and I have a friend, right? So this friend, his name is Ben, and he likes to travel and to eat just like me, maybe even a bit more. So, and he doesn't only like to eat, he also likes to write about it. So, and he's got this food blog called Bittermans Guides. I'll leave the link down below. And he told me that he's found the best Char, Koey, Tiao here in Penang, or even in Malaysia, I don't know. But yeah, let's find out if that is true. I am right here in the Siam Road. Be it as it will, be it be the best Char, Koey, Tiao in Penang, the best one in Malaysia, the best one in the new Siam Road, or the Siam Road, or the best one in all of the world. I am here and I'm approaching the new Siam Char, Koey, Tiao. New Siam Road, Char, Koey, Tiao, that's what it's called. So it is a famous place. Usually, there are lines, usually you wait up until 2 hours to get your fill of Char, Koey, Tiao. But since it's the Siam show, I may be in luck. Although I'm not sure if we can eat inside. Yeah, but it certainly looks like it's open. So I came by earlier today. Someone told me it's open at 3 o'clock. Obviously, that's not true. It's like almost 2 o'clock now. So let's check it out. Hello. Hello, sir. See, it's open. And the uncle is present and will make me, hopefully, one of those very famous Char, Koey, Tiao. That's where the magic happens. So I'm in luck because of the Siam show. So it does take them a while to make it, but that's probably a good sign, right? I think they're almost done. They're making my own personal one. Ah, there it comes. Ah, all right. Oh wow, here it is. Thank you. Ah, it finally arrived. So here it is, the famous new Siam Road. Char, Koey, Tiao. It's a small plate. It's not too heavy. I see prawns. I see all kinds of green stuff, eggs. There is some kind of a Chinese sausage. There I see some mushroom, maybe bean sprout. Yeah, it's not a tomato. It's not a Chinese mushroom. But anyway, let's try this. First bite is always the most important. Okay, I'll just go blindly dig in. It's steamingly hot still, of course. And it does really taste amazing. It's really good. It's got the perfect, like saltiness, the perfect bite, the perfect, not the perfect amount. It's a little bit small, but I even like the vegetables. They're still perfectly have a little bit of a bite to it, like that. The bean sprouts. Yeah. Perfect. Then let's try that famous Chinese sausage. And it does look like a salami. It probably is something similar. I'm not sure. Probably is a pork sausage. Yeah. It's the good kind with that round flavor, with that, hearty, salty, porkishy flavor. Wow. It is good. It is good. Wow. They did say they gave me the spicy one. I'm never sure if it's the spicy one when they tell me to give me the spicy one. It's a little bit spicy, but it's not like super spicy. It's a little bit spicy, but it's very good. It is awesome. Yeah, it is. Yeah, and it isn't famous just for nothing. It's not because it's so good looking here. The old man knows how to make a char kway chow. Huh? Definitely. Egg. In some places you get a duck egg. I think it's a chicken egg, a regular chicken egg. Yeah. I mean, I cannot praise the egg. It's good. The dish itself is just great. There's a prawn. Give me a prawn. 2. A fresh and tasty prawn. Yeah, I could definitely recommend. I mean, I'm not sure if it's the best in Malaysia or the best in Penang or the best in the world, but it's definitely one of the best, char kway chows I've ever had. I mean, a similar dish. They also some kind of a kway chow. They also serve in Thailand, probably with in places where they have it in Chinese ancestry. I've had similar dishes like this, but this really is a good one. Yeah, as I told you, I don't know if it's the best one, but definitely the best one I've had probably ever. I don't remember ever having a better one, but it's good, very good. Yeah, if you want a good one, definitely come down here. You will not be disappointed, I'm sure. I will pay you $50 if you are. No, I'm not. So it was amazing char kway chow. And actually I just talked to one of the guys, this is a family business for 60 years. So this has only been here in this building or in this house for 2 years. Before it was outside here in the street, just in this Siam Road. Oh, is it Siam Road or Siam Road? I'm not sure. So the new Siam Road char kway chow is actually pretty new, really. But it's only the restaurant itself that is new. The food stall, the char kway chow, has been around for 60 years. So that's like 3 generations now, if I'm correct. Wow, good food, definitely. Oh yeah, that makes me happy. It's just sometimes there's something about good food that can really make you happy, and this guy, yeah, does that. So if you're down and depressed because of the CMCO, or because of the coronavirus, or because your wife has left you, or your husband, yeah, you go to that guy and order a plate of happiness. Wait, that plate is, I think it's 8 ringgit. Was it 8 ringgit or 8.50 or 7.50? Yeah, something not too expensive. But of course, there's lots of stuff in it, lots of good stuff in it. So that is quite cheap for a plate of happiness, right? Okay, guys, bye-bye. So we could say my friend Ben was right after all. He said it's the best char kway chow he's ever eaten, and it's the best one I've ever eaten. So anyway, look up his blog. Yeah, I'll put it downstairs. Downstairs in the information box. It's Bitterman guy, I think, or something like that, similar. Anyway, yeah, you should check his blog out. He travels around the world. He has been for many years. He has eaten in many countries and in many restaurants and many food stalls. And Malaysia is one of his favorite places when it comes to eating. And I can only agree with him. So check him out, guys. Have a good week and have a good day and have a good rest of the CMCO. And if you're not in Malaysia and you're not in a lockdown, enjoy that freedom, baby. Enjoy that freedom. Nothing better than freedom, really.